Well, we made it out to the field this evening. Just got set up. We've got a bag of dive bombs and some full body ducks out. Got Kirby, Jed's layout. Jed's getting her done over there. We had to bump the birds out to get in this field today. They must have been in here for most of the day, so we're hoping to come back. We're gonna get to it and catch up to them and get some birds going. Oh, they're gonna fly right over us. Take them. I think I just tripled.
I shot one.
Oh, get a shell. Ready for that one.
I take it no bands.
No jewelry.
No bands.
No bands?
Oh, stuffed barrel.
Oh my God. Jed.
Oh, that's not good.
No. Not good at all.
Oh, that did it.
Oh. They fucking, there's no wind. They didn't have to fucking come in here.
Yeah, it's coming back now.
Shoot them. Shoot them.
How the fuck, dude?
See, because then Jed can shoot my gun, maybe.
You got like a screwdriver somewhere? Someone?
Take it apart. Oh, it has to do that. You can find a super long corn stalk. Oh yeah, that's fine. I can't find my camera outside of video. They're about to be doing it dirty right on the right side of the decoy.
Oh shit, two to the right, two to the right. Shoot them.
They're fucking all coming from that way now. They're all. Yeah, they're all saying peace.
You guys see them ducks got at?
Yeah, that thing's hefty. Oh. I am out here in the middle of the field. These birds are about to land on me. No. Come on, get down there for Kirby. Get to him. They saw me. I could have smoked them. They saw me for sure. What's that, 6?
Actually, turn them there. They started going.
Oh yeah, they definitely saw me though.
Just hammered on them for a little bit.
That has bright blue jeans out. Jesus,
I wasn't even in my blind. I was laying down. Blue jeans sticking out.
Everyone's showing up now. Look at all the cars coming by. You think some people heard about the feed being here, Jed?
That's my dad right there.
Oh, we got 3 coming. Yeah, they're doing it. No way I missed that one. No way he missed him. Round 2.
Log looked pretty dead on.
I can't believe I missed it.
Someone shot the one to the left right before I pulled the trigger. I did.
I pulled up, shot him, and then he flared off to the left, and I felt like in my peripherals, I swear to God, I saw you look right. And I was like, why is he not shooting that?
There's the whole pile for the day. How you feel about today?
We got it done. Hey, we got 2 minutes. We got 2 minutes. They wouldn't quite finish for everyone. Good shot, sir, bud.
We got it done as good as we could for the situation.
I did not like that shit. It's harder than it.
I had to do it to Jed. I had to do it.
You just get like, I was like, where you kill birds, and then.
You know what's even better? That's gonna go right after it because my GoPro's rolling right now, you dumb fuck.